Your health means everything. That's why we work to help keep you safe when you come to us for care. That's also why it's so important to not delay in getting care you need. Whether it's an emergency, a checkup, or it's time for a screening like your annual mammogram, get the care your health needs now, because your health means everything to us too. We want you to feel as comfortable as possible during your visit with us and confident in the care you receive. Here's how we're making that happen every day. We ask that every visitor and patient be masked before they enter the facility. You must wear a mask the entire way through the facility. We screen patients at the door for signs and symptoms of COVID, and we practice social distancing. We also know that having a loved one with you is an important part of your care experience. When a visitor is able to join you, we ask them to practice the same precautions so that you and your guest can feel confident in your safety, and we can all continue to protect each other until this pandemic is behind us.
We're continuing to take all the necessary precautions to protect you. We've got the gear we need for your safety and ours too. And we have all the equipment and supplies we need to care for you in an environment that is as comfortable as possible. We know you might feel a little worried about a doctor or hospital visit right now, but it's so important to get the care that you need when you need it. Don't make your health wait. We're prepared and always here to care for you safely.
Conemaugh Meyersdale has always been a clean and safe place to get care, and we are continuing to use the most effective cleaning and disinfecting methods to make sure it stays that way for you.
We're here for you. If you're in pain, we can help. If it's time for your annual checkup or mammogram, we've got you. If you're in an emergency, we're here because your health means everything to us. Thank you for continuing to trust us here at Meyersdale Medical Center.